It must be kart season. We got the Hellbenders and engines off of Hellbenders right now, so the Alley Cat 2 pulled the replumbing the fuel lines and everything on it as well, and pulled the upholstery out. And look at all the garbage. Somebody even left a stud and a nut down there on the bottom that was sitting on apparently.
Air cleaner studs.
Yeah, that's from the air cleaner. We had broke one last season. That's probably where it ended up at, and just didn't know it until I just now pulled the upholstery out.
Now you know why you were so slow. You were carrying extra weight.
Yeah, as Dad just said, that's probably the extra weight that I needed out of the kart to actually win some races, go a little bit faster. But oh well.
6 ounces makes a difference.
Well, you can see redoing some things on it. The engine's been redone. Even the backup engine's been redone. Getting ready to go. My schedule's kind of up in the air, but I'm probably gonna race at Springfield. Which isn't very far away. So there's one of my engines right there. Sitting on Dad's kart. This is his big cat. If you're wondering if the color changed on it, the answer is yes. The color did change on it. He did not like the powder coat previously, so we've changed the looks of it. And it's all candy urethane. Not as durable, but the powder coat's underneath it. So yeah, my engine is sitting here. We're going to take it down to Sugar River, run it as a single, then switch out to the second motor and run that and tune it, because it's got 2 of those carburetors sitting right there. Try and get them all tuned up, ready to go. So this one's all plumbed up and ready to go. So we're going to take it down, run it as a single, and tune the engine. Once we get that one running, then we'll get the other engine on it, do a quick swap, and run that one. And if everything goes really well, I have the 2 engines that I took off last year as backups, and one of them's pretty low on compression, but it's still works. So that's where we're at so far. Season's getting started for us. Everything's getting green outside and starting to warm up. So, and then people were asking about this triple. Well, looky here. No longer has the 3 Yamahas on it. Look, what are those? Those are yellow and black. Oh, they're MC6s. McCulloughs. Look at that. That's a lot of engines. So that's coming along. Brand new fuel line. Tank's got a problem. So pull the tank out. Old tank is taken out. Bottom of the tank had fallen apart. That's why this thing was leaking fuel pretty good. Wasn't a massive leak, but definitely a little crack in the bottom. So new tank is now in. Spacers, ran new fuel lines back to the engines, where the engines are. And we showed you that earlier on the other cart. We're tuning them one at a time. And then get ready for, hopefully that'll be successful, and then get them on this cart. Get them ready to go. So, got things cleaned up in the seat a little bit. Got the bolt out of the seat. Of course, there's bolts sitting in the seat and a screwdriver and a wrench. Those will definitely be coming out this time around.